This question was asked in GATE 2025. It belongs to the subject of linear algebra to the topic rank of a matrix. This was a one mark question. The question is a 2n by 2n matrix A equal to Aij has its element as Aij equal to beta if the sum of its indices I plus j is odd, and Aij equal to minus beta if the sum of I plus j is even, where n is any integer greater than 2 and beta is any non-zero real number. The rank of matrix A is. You can refer the NPTEL course for this question, Engineering Mathematics by Professor Jitendra Kumar, Department of Mathematics, IIT Kharagpur. Before solving the question, let us recall the key concept involved in determining the rank of matrix. These are elementary row operation, pivot, and reduce row echelon form. To simplify any matrix, we perform elementary row operations like row swap, row scaling, and row replacement. These operations do not change the rank of matrix. So in row swap, any two row Ri and Ri dash can be swapped. Row scaling, any row can be scaled by a factor k which is not equal to 0. And row replacement, any row can be replaced by the sum of two or more than two rows. Pivot. So after performing the real elementary row operation, A pivot is the first non-zero entry in row from left to right after applying row operation. So this is basically tells the rank of the matrix. So after performing the elementary row operations, we transform matrix into its reduced row echelon form. So structure of reduced row echelon form is every non-zero row begin with a pivot equal to 1. All entry above and below the pivot are 0. All 0 row are at the bottom. So coming to the solution, we have given A equal to Ij, where Aij equal to beta if I plus j is odd, and Aij equal to minus beta if Ai plus j is even. Here I is the row index and j is the column index of the element. If we expand this matrix, then it will look like this. Now, if we apply elementary row operations on rows like R2 replaced by R2 plus R1, R4 is replaced by R4 plus R1, and R6 is replaced by R6 plus R1, and so on. And odd rows like R3 is replaced by R3 minus R1, R5 is replaced by R5 minus R1, and R7 is replaced by R7 minus R1, and so on. Then our matrix A will be transformed like A minus beta plus beta minus beta and plus beta, so on, and rest row will be 0. Now if we further apply another row transformation on row 1 like R1 is replaced by R1 by minus beta, then our matrix will be transformed like 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and so on, and rest row will be 0. So now our matrix is transformed into reduced row echelon form. So as we have discussed in the key points, the number of pivot is equal to the rank of matrix. So this matrix has only one pivot, hence its rank is 1. So the rank of matrix of the given matrix equal to the number of pivots. This is equal to 1. Thanks for listening.